For those of you that follow my channel, you know I've done a couple of entries on this, a couple of videos on this garage door. Here is a new garage door. The old one was still splitting apart and falling apart. So we decided to go with an insulated one. And it's got a steel backing on the back side so that my grinding dust doesn't get into the insulation and mess things up. It'll be easier to clean. I left the struts on it from the old door, so I actually have 4 struts on it, which aren't needed, but it should help add to the longevity of the door. And then I added some windows. It's obscure glass. It's a rain glass, and they are dual paned. And it makes a huge difference already. When I came out this morning and looked in my garage, just all the extra light made a huge difference. In order to get this garage door in, I had to move a lot of this stuff, so I actually ended up cleaning underneath it. And I swear this thing must weigh about a ton with all of this extra, with all the material storage that I have down there. You can't even tell how much steel I have. I'm guessing that this table weighs about a ton. And by myself with the wheels on, there's 6 wheels on it, I couldn't really move it that well. Going downhill from it was up here, I pushed it down there. My feet were slipping and everything. Very heavy table. Anyway, I thought that was interesting. I'll show you the shot from the outside. My van is in the way in the go-kart, but I guess this gives you an idea. It used to be white. I have a better picture of it I'll show. But you can see the windows. And I did the vinyl trim on the outside to make sure I got a better seal around it. And it actually worked pretty well because we didn't have the window custom made, but with that seal, it looks like it has been. So kind of a fancy door, but I like the look of it. At night it's pretty cool looking. You can see all the lights on the inside. It's got a nice warm feeling to it.